Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here with a Defember prompt creation. This is number 5 on the list, and it is Salvaged Birds. Now, I am not going to lie. I was like, okay, what am I going to do? So I went and I watched 49 Dragonflies and Luise, who are the ones that are putting this challenge on in the month of December. I hope that you join in. It's been a lot of fun so far, and they've created a lot of cute, even freebies for us to use, and a lot of inspiration. So I'm going to do a couple of things that are probably out of my comfort zone. And one of the things was Luise did a thing with transparency. And so I have a piece of transparency. I'm just putting paper over it because I don't want the glare. But I'm going to try it. I found 2 of my distress spray stains, one in Kitsch Flamingo and the other one in Salvaged Patina. I didn't even know that I had this in the spray stain. I could have used this the other day when I was doing my retro refrigerator. So anyway, let's get started. Again, it is Salvaged Birds. So I went and I also watched 49 Dragonflies, Barbara, and watched her inspiration. And I say go watch it because it really helped me go ahead and want to try this thing that Luise did, because it is a little bit loose and messy. And but you know what? Let's just go for it. So one of my things that I salvaged was a self-adhesive file folder label thing, because it has this window, and I thought we would make a shaker and do a tag. I pulled some things out of my box from Meg Chasing Retro because I am doing this challenge with her also. She's my swap partner. So we had swapped a bunch of ephemera, and I pulled out some items that I thought would be really cute for this. I also have a little bird that I picked up the other day at Goodwill bins. It was a lonesome little bird in a bin, and so I salvaged the little bird out of the bin. So he's gonna go on my tag. And she created this wonderful like a snippet roll, and I'm going to use this and probably for the tab at the top. She also gave me some of this really awesome vintage wallpaper and book paper, and some, I don't know if this is her Kool-Aid dyed paper or if it was just pink paper that she either tea dyed or coffee stained. So anyway, I've got that. So those were some items that I pulled, and of course I'm going to be using my Dymo labeler with this really cute little blue. You know, these were newer rolls. I forgot who came out with these later on in the scrapbooking world. They started creating some of these retro label thingies. And so I had picked up a couple of these at a thrift store, and I found one in the blue that matches perfectly. And I don't know about you, but I want to break out in song about the bluebirds on my shoulder. However, it's probably copywritten and I don't want to get in trouble, so I will not break out in that song. Anyway, but you know what? Sing it in your head as I'm making this little project. Okay, you know what I forgot to get is stamps. So awesome. All right, let's get the messy play out of the way. Let's see. Well, you know what? I'm gonna use both of these. I'm just gonna see which one I like better because, you know, I like having options. All right, now I hope this works. I'm assuming that I have the right stuff. Luise said to spray it. Where's my water sprayer? And then it's supposed to make some kind of squeaky noise on the side that you're supposed to do it on. So let's see. Okay, that's not the side, because that is not squeaking. That's the squeaky side. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to do it on the squeaky side. I should have taken notes while I was watching her video. I did not. Okay, so alrighty. Let me see. I'm going to spritz some of this on and see what happens. And then I'm going to spritz some of this on. and see what happens. And then I'm supposed to, I think, spritz it with some water and see what happens. And then I think, let me see, can I take this and like kind of stamp off? I don't know. Am I supposed to wait for this to dry? Oh my gosh, I probably should go back and watch the video. Alrighty, let's see. And then apparently you can take a paper towel, which I don't have a paper towel. Oh no, I am not prepared. Okay, while I was getting my paper towels, I realized that I think she sprayed through a stencil, not just... Okay, what can I use? I kind of like that first one, to be honest with you. Here we go. I think I like the first. I think I kind of like this one. A little retro. Alrighty. So I don't know what I need to do here. I think I need to take it off, but I think it just stays on there if I'm not... Okay, it's not staying on there. Maybe I did it on the wrong side. Okay, hold on. Take two. Maybe it's not supposed to be on the squeaky side. Maybe it's supposed to be on the other side. We'll find out. Okay, here goes. I'm going to do a little bit of that. And let's add a little bit of pink in there. And then I think she said you can take it off and do a second print. So let's do that. I don't have a heat tool, so we're going to have to come back to this. We're going to have to come back to this. See what happens. The other thing is, worst case scenario, I use archival ink on it and a stamp. I do have archival ink. I have it in this evergreen bow, which would work also. I'm kind of playing off the colors that are in this. Let's see. So let me try another quad. See if I can't do something here. Okay, because I know the archival ink will work for sure. And you know what? To be honest, I think that's going to be kind of nice. So I think it's just going to be subtle what I want for my shaker. Let's try it. I'm going to do the whole thing. But in the meantime, we'll just see how this works out. I don't know if I'm on the right side, the wrong side. Apparently the other side was wrong. Either that or I'm just doing it wrong, which would be no shocker to me. I need to go back and watch it. So if you want to know how to do this, don't watch me. Go watch Luise Heinzel. But hey, I was up for the try. I should have taken notes. I watched it last night. Okay. Alrighty, so I know I got that. And while that's drying, this whole thing, we'll see. I'm going to set this aside. I just have a silicone mat on here. That's all that is. Alrighty. In the meantime, let us put these back on here. Set these aside somewhere. And let's go ahead and back this. So what I want to do is I'm going to put some of this behind like so. So let's tuck that in and trim around. I just love this wood grain. I am a retro 70s, 60s, 70s wood grain girl. Alrighty, save that piece. And then on the back of it, I'm going to put some of this pink paper so we can write on it. So let's do, oh my gosh, I love this crinkly bit. I love the crinkle. Okay, so I think what I'm going to end up doing is tracing around it because it does have like a little bit of an oval shape. And I'm only going to do 2 sides. Pencil. Okay. And scissors. Have you ever noticed when, oh, they're right under my arm. When you want the scissors, you can never find the scissors. And I actually have 3 pair in here and I can only find one. What's up with that? I'm sure it's under some pile. Save that. Okie dokie. Got this on the whole thing. And let's glue it down. On the back here. Do I have anything I can smooth this up with? Okie dokie. It's going to be perfect for writing on the back of it. Now, you know, as much as I want to cover this up, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Plus, let's put this in. Like that, and I'll trim it. Love this wallpaper, Meg. Thank you. Trim around the... Okay. And I kind of want to... Well, I'll wait because I do want to do a stitch around there. And then I'm going to do a little tab, a little thingy down here on the bottom. Not this one. I take this one. I'm going to put, I wonder if it's enough to put Blue Bird on my shoulder. Let's see. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to do on my shoulder on the bottom, and then I'll do this up here, Blue Bird. So let's, I think I'm gonna wait to do this, or yeah, because I'm gonna sew around it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait before I put this on here. Okay, people, remind me where this is, because you know how things like escape on your desk? It's like so true. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little tab at the top. I wonder if I can punch through. Let's see. Can I punch through it with this? Because that would be really cool. I'll just try. Nope. But I got an impression that I can cut around. that. How cute is that going to be? Adorable. Alrighty. Next is, I'm thinking about maybe some of the book paper. Let's try. Some of this behind it, like so, and then I'm gonna put him up there and the tab. Should I do that, or should I put him in the shaker bit? Oh, that would be so cute to have him shaking in there, or maybe over the shaker. I think I kind of want him outside because he's textural. Yeah. Alrighty, so let's put this down. Ah, some of this here. I love that it has the number, so I'm going to leave that number. And then I need maybe, let's see, she gave me another little piece of wallpaper. Maybe I can put there. And then, yeah, I like that. So, and then, okay, let's see if our stuff is dry. So apparently you can take a paper towel, which I just have my paper towels. What did I do with them? And you can blot it and it stays on there. Okay, mine did not stay on there, so I'm gonna go opt for this with the stays on thing because I've got to go back and watch her video. I gotta go back and watch her video. I must be doing something wrong. Alrighty, so let's put this in here. I like the subtle touch of the wood grain anyway, so I'm okay with that. Okay. And then on this side, we are going to put the wood grain. Let me show you what that looks like. So that's the wood grain on there. I like a lot. And then I'll need a piece of it in the clear because I'm going to do a little shaker. So I need to back it with some. So first, let's do this. Glue it down. All right, I will definitely come back and try doing that again another day because I did something definitely wrong. I need help. Okay, so then I have some shaker things. I just want to tell you, I don't have a sequins and all that shakety shake stuff. So I had to get creative. So I have like little vintage baby buttons and some little, like, I have some stamps that I thought would be cute in the same colors. These are actually from 1924, 1925 it says. And I'm going to add in these little baby buttons and some seed beads. Now, I got to get ready because those are going to go flying. I can already see it. So what I'm going to do is get this ready. Oh, okay. Is there any good way of doing this? No, apparently not. I got him in the glue. Uh-oh, I got him in the glue. Well, okay. The glue kept them from rolling, but now they're going to be stuck in there. Okay. There is that. And then I'm going to put this down here. And then I'm going to glue this, like so. Hold that all down. Talk amongst yourselves. I'm going to go to the sewing machine and stitch around the whole thing, and then I'll come back. Oh my gosh, I love that the stamps are in there. It's super cute. Okay. So we got our little shakers going. I like the little wood grain, which you probably can't see. And then that. So I've got that so far. Okay, do I want to stitch around? You know what? I don't think I'm going to stitch around. I think I like it just like that. I think the stitching is going to take away from the wood. So let's just glue this on at the top. You know, you have that prerogative to change your mind, right? You can change my mind. There's that. And then let's put little bluebird on here. Like so. Love him. And then put on my shoulder. I gotta glue this down because I know that this is old, like back from the 90s. Something like that. Bluebird on my shoulder. And then let's put this one up there. Like that. Ah! It's popping off. Okay, that means it's popping off. I just have to smash it till it dries. You know what? And I'm not patient enough, so I'm going to staple it like so. Uh-oh. Dude, get back in your spot. It's flying away. Okay. Alrighty, so that's our little shaker tag. Thanks again, Luise and Barbara, for having such an awesome prompt list for the month of December. And thanks, Meg, for playing along with me. And I loved watching what you did with your little journal card today. And I will see you guys later. I'll link everybody below. Bye.